Everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you guys. Welcome all of you on this lecture number 1 on circles. So today we'll be discussing few basic concepts of this chapter, and we'll be also looking forward to some problems in the end. Okay, so today we'll be trying to cover as much as concepts as possible, because if the concepts are clear, then only we can solve these amazing problems for obviously JEE mains and advanced level. So guys, this chapter is actually one of the most important chapters of the whole conic sections, if you see. Okay, and the coordinate geometry. So I would suggest that this is one of the most important topics for your coordinate geometry. Okay, so mostly every year you will find one question from circles in the mains exam, and approximately one or two questions in the advanced as well. So this chapter is mixed very well with parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, straight lines, and guys, a lot of questions are framed from this chapter. So I hope everyone enjoys this topic, and obviously guys, definitely they would have interest in this topic. Okay, yes, hi Penleya Bhargavi. Hello, yes, this chapter is very important as I told you. And hi Ajay, how are you? Good evening to all of you guys. Okay, hello Hudi. Okay. Also, guys, this is my introduction. This is Abhinav Jha, BTech in ID Nagpur, and I've got more than 4 years of teaching experience now, and I've mentored many top ranks in mains and advanced in the past. Moreover, I have also the rank of AIR 698 in GATE, which I had secured in 2016. Hello, Bharadwaj. Good evening. Also, guys, an Academy Plus subscription is something which is up for grabs. You all can definitely grab it as soon as possible. Here, you will be able to interact with the best faculties of the country. There will be live doubt clearing sessions. There will be test series analysis. There will be live polls, leaderboard, and obviously, guys, everything will be given. And guys, most importantly, you are getting the best of the country. Hello, Babi Reddy. Okay. Yes. Slightly, my health is not that great today. Okay. Okay, chalo. Also, guys, you can install this amazing app from the Play Store, and then, guys, you can go to the IIT JEE section. In that, click on plus, and then, guys, click on get subscription. As soon as you do that, you will be getting this platform. Here, you have to put up the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you will be able to get these amazing discounts on this platform. Okay, so guys, 1 month it will cost you around 6,300, and for a year it will be costing around 34.6 and 50.4 respectively for 1 and 2 years. Okay, and also guys, here you can put up the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put it, then you can proceed to pay. Okay, so guys, that's what. So proceed to pay using EMI options as well. Okay. Also, guys, Unacademy is now on the Telegram app. All of you might be knowing that you can get the updates of the classes of mine not only on this platform but also on the Plus, and also on the app you'll be getting over here on this channel. Also, guys, Unacademy has now introduced a new category called CLAT that is launched from November 1. So, guys, obviously, guys, if you are intending to go towards the law, okay guys, if you're intending to crack one of the best exams in India, and obviously guys, LLB program and LLM program, so definitely guys, CLAT is the one for that. Okay, it is common law admission test, so which is for all the kind of students who are aspiring towards this goal. So all of you can share it among your friends who are obviously in commerce background mostly. They obviously intend to write down this exam. So all of you can obviously give your friends a notification that Unacademy is coming up with this amazing platform. Okay, moreover, guys, Abhinav SC is the code which you can use for obviously subscribing to the Plus as well. Also, guys, obviously, my YouTube classes would be at 5:30 p.m. 21 and 22 batches are running, and this would be the schedule. Also, guys, you can subscribe to the Plus. Obviously, that is obviously very important if you are obviously planning a longer run. So obviously, guys, that is very important. Here you will be getting the differential calculus, which is almost getting over. Then we are starting integral calculus, guys. So if you are interested, you can join Plus as soon as possible. This is the crash course. I'm going to come up with one important course that is going to be a crash course on integral calculus on the Plus platform very soon. That is going to start from 9th of November. I will be giving you the notification of that. Also guys, this is a detailed batch where obviously everything will be taught in detail. So guys, definitely you can join this batch as well, where I am currently teaching graphs, sets, relations and functions, and everything is taught in detail. Also next we are going to do trigonometry, algebra, conic sections, and everything will be done in a very advanced manner. Fine. Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let's begin with this amazing topic of circle. So guys, first of all, circles equation. So guys, equation of circles in various forms. So first we will look at a very standard circle, which is obviously having the center as origin and radius is r. Bharadwaj, today I am little bit, I told you off, I have got cold in Delhi. Obviously the atmosphere is changing, the winter season is coming up. So because of that, I think so I have acquired cold. That's why you can feel that today, right? Okay, kindly spare me for that, for today. Okay, chalo. So guys, obviously this is the circle equation, x square plus y square equals to r square. So what is happening here is, obviously guys, if you look at this one, so what is circle guys? Here what we look at is the locus of the points. Hello Chandana. We look at what guys? Locus of the points. So let's suppose guys, here we have the point as x comma y. Okay. So what's the locus? Locus of the point means what? The point is a moving point, right? It is moving in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is constant, isn't it? So its distance from this origin, that is 0 comma 0, is constant, and let's suppose that is r. Right everyone? So we can say that the distance is what? X square. So what will be the distance guys? We can say x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to r square. Understood? So what is a circle guys? So circle is locus of the points. Hello Bharadwaj. Hello Shivani. Okay. So guys, what is a circle in general? It's locus. Locus means guys what? The moving point. Locus of a point such that its distance from a fixed point, that point can be anything, fixed point, is constant. Understood everyone? So that fixed point is what guys? That fixed point is nothing but the center. Okay, that fixed point is nothing but what guys? The center. Okay, and what is that constant guys? That constant is nothing but the radius. Okay, so guys, sometimes your fixed point here can be any random point. We can call that point as, let's suppose, that point can be anything. Let's take the point as, let's suppose, some h comma k. Okay guys, let's suppose we have a fixed point called h comma k. Now we have a point which is moving in the plane such that it is, let's suppose, some x comma y. So what will be the distance formula guys? Can I say that implies x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square will be equal to what? R square. Understood? So here that's the reason why guys we can say that this is also the equation of the circle with center as h comma k and radius is r. Okay, okay guys, so understood? So here do not forget that circle center is h comma k, radius is r. This is with nothing but giving you the equation of the circle. Hello guys, now let's move ahead with the random equation. Okay, now guys, as we've discussed quite a few times now in my one shot sessions and my general sessions as well, that a second degree curve looks like what? Second degree curve looks like what? How does it look like? It looks like, we have discussed this in the pair of straight lines as well. How does a second degree curve looks like? It is like x square ax square plus by square plus 2hxy, right? And obviously guys, we have 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And I had also told you the second degree curve can be anything, right? Depending upon the situation, it can be either pair of straight line, right? It can be either what? It can be either circle, it can be either parabola, it can be either ellipse, right? And it can be either hyperbola. Okay. Okay, guys, very soon we'll be discussing everything in detail with the help of determinants as well. But guys, this second degree curve can be any of these, right? Depending upon the situation. So guys, let's compare and get the condition for this second degree curve to be a circle. Okay, how can we do that? Let's see. Okay, so guys, can I say that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square is also equation of the circle? Yes. Okay. Chandana, definitely you have three variables, right? Sorry, Papi Reddy, you have three variables h, k, and r. You can put those 3 points, get the value of h and k and r. Easily you can do it. Understood? That's how we do it, by solving the three equations. Okay? Chalo. Now guys, we'll discuss many things, don't worry. Okay guys, so now when you open this up, what we will get? As soon as you open it up, what will get? H square, x square plus y square. Then what we'll get, guys? Minus 2hx. Okay, and then here we'll get minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square equals to 0. Can I write? Okay, minus r square we can write, right everyone? Yes, very easily. Now comparing, what are we getting, guys? Both are the same equation, both are the equation of the same curve, isn't it? This is one equation, these two are what? Same brothers. Okay, so comparing, what we can say, guys? Can I say that comparing we are getting, I told you guys we should obviously look at the ratios, right? Yes, we should look at the ratios. But generally, guys, if we, let's suppose, equate it also, let's suppose we have divided by everything, and let's suppose we want here 1. We can plan that, right? Because always we can say that for a circle, A has to be equal to B, right? No doubt about it. Okay. So guys, comparing, what we can say, to use the ratio method also, same thing you will get. Comparing, what are we getting? Comparing, we are getting A equals to B equals to 1. Fantastic. Okay. Now guys, let's make it like some h dash. Okay, this I'm writing as h naught. So guys, here, because these two h, you should not confuse this h and this h. So guys, obviously this h naught is 0. Can I say? Right everyone? Very good. Xy term will be 0. So directly I should write that. That will be better, right? Because no xy term in this equation, isn't it? Very good, very good, very good everyone. So can I say, guys, xy term is not there? Okay, xy term is not there. Okay, so what we can write, guys, next? Can I say that, guys, 2gx, comparing, we'll get what? That means, guys, 2gx will be minus 2hx. Yes. What we'll get is 2gx will be what? Minus 2hx, and 2fy will be what? Minus 2 ky, right? So guys, comparing, what are we getting? See here, a very interesting equation. X will cancel definitely. X can't be 0. So what are we getting, guys? We are getting h is equals to minus g. Okay, also guys, can I say 2 and y will cancel? 2 and y will cancel. We will get what? F is equals to, or you can say k equals to minus f. K equals to minus f, right everyone? Okay, great. K is equals to minus f. So guys, can I say that the center of the circle, center now was h comma k. We can also write the center as what now? Minus g comma minus f. Is it correct? Tell me, guys. Great. Okay. Very good. So guys, now what else we can compare is, we can compare the constant c is equals to h square plus k square minus r square, right? Can't I write that? Yes, I can. So I can write what? C is equals to h square plus k square minus r square. Okay, now let's write down this. What we're trying to do is, guys, ultimately our main focus is to write down the center and the radius with respect to the second degree curve. Okay. Okay. Now, Papirati, if you have any other doubt related to this topic, can you ask me in the end? Okay, at the moment, let's go with this. Okay, because ultimately it will be very Now it will not be a very good manner we should go, right? We'll follow this pattern, and then what how do you have related to this? Can we answer? Can I answer in the end? Okay, fine. So what do we get here? Tell me. So guys, can I say here? What will get? Tell me, can I say here that r square will be equal to h square plus k square minus c? And what about h square, guys? Can I write r square equals to what? G square plus f square minus c implies r will be equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Understood, everyone? This is an amazing result we got. Amazing result we got, right? So we got the radius also in terms of GFC. Fantastic. So guys, what is this? This is what we've got. So we've understood that, okay, if a circle is given like this, so we can get its center and radius within seconds. Let me give you an example. Let's suppose somebody asks x square plus y square. Good evening, Sindhuja. Minus 5x plus 7y. Okay. Plus 3 equals to 0. Can you tell me its center? Can you tell me its center? Very good. Come on, guys. Easily you can predict. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Sindhuja. So guys, this is what comparing we get 2gx, right? So we'll get minus 5x is equals to 2gx. So comparing we are getting g is equals to minus 5 by 2. And comparing we'll also get what, guys? We will get what? F is equals to 7 by 2. So what is the center? Minus g comma minus f, right? Minus g comma minus f. That means the center will be minus of this. So that will be what? 5 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. Understood? So just by looking at the center, very good, Babi Reddy. Just by looking at the center, very good, Bharadwaj. Just by looking at the center, we can actually predict its center just by looking at the equation. And guys, we can get the radius also very easy. Now, guys, let's look into the concept which is very important. What is that? Guys, if let's suppose this is the radius, right? And under root k inside we have this fellow, right? We have this fellow inside the radius. Guys, let's suppose if this only becomes negative, can you say that root of negative is possible ever? Can we say that? Can you have root inside negative? Never. That will give you what? Imaginary circle. So that's why, guys, to get a real circle on the Cartesian plane, we should have what? G square plus f square minus c should be what? Greater than 0. Then only it will be what? Real circle. Okay. Great. Hoodie has already got the circles equation as well. Very good. And radius. Also, guys, when let's suppose when radius is, Achha, you got it. Okay, no issues. The calculation you can do later on. Don't worry. So, guys, can I say that we can get the circle, point circle? What do you mean by point circle, guys? If the radius is 0, simple. Hai na? So, guys, let's suppose if I have got one radius only is 0. Can you say that? Let's suppose if I've got this point over here. This is what? 1 comma minus 2. So this point equation we can write what? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 0 square. So this is a circle with radius 0. So that's also possible. If the radius becomes 0, that's a point. So point is also a circle with radius 0. Understood? So that's what we call it as point circle. I hope everyone understood. Great. Okay. So note that every second degree curve in xy in which coefficient of x square is equal to y square and the coefficient of xy is 0 always represents a circle. That is absolutely clear, I hope. So next. Now this is a very important form of a circle, equation of a circle in the diametric form. So guys, let's suppose if somebody has given you the diameter. Okay. So guys, let's suppose somebody has given you the diametric ends. Okay. This end is given as what? Let's suppose that is given as x1 comma y1. Okay, x1 comma y1, and this end is given as what? X2 comma y2. Okay, and they are asking you the equation of the circle. So you will say, sir, it's not that difficult. We will take the midpoint formula and we'll get the center, and then we know the center, and then distance formula we can calculate radius. Very good. So you will say, sir, center also calculated, radius also calculated. We will get the equation, isn't it, everyone? Okay, but we want it quick. We don't want to waste that much of time. So guys, that is very important to obviously learn the tricks, but logical tricks. If you look at the conic sections and the whole coordinate geometry has infinite formulas, how many you will remember? The ones which I'll tell you. That is it. The ones which I tell you in this chapter, that only is required to learn. Rest, nothing is important. Okay. So the ones which I'll tell you guys, please focus on them, because guys, there in this chapter you will find in books many formulas. Okay. So guys, what I'm saying is, let's take any random point as this. Okay. Let's take any random point xy. Right. This is only what we have right now. है ना? We want the locus of xy or not? Tell me. We want the locus of xy or not? Tell me. Yes. And the xy is a general point on the circle. So if we get an equation, guys, equation means what? Relation between x and y. We just want a random relation between x and y. If we achieve that, our equation is done, sorted, right? Then it will be not possible, impossible. You cannot find a circle passing through two points only. Okay, that's impossible. Then you need at least 3 points. Okay, Papi, ready? Or else you will be given some other condition. Third condition might be somehow else. Then you might, right? Directly it is it's not possible. So guys, do you guys know that the diameter subtends an angle of 90 degrees? Can we say that slope of PB into slope of PA is equals to -1? Do you guys know this concept? Isn't it? Yes. Perpendicular lines will have what? M1, M2, -1. So guys, comparing from there, what I'll get is, I will get that y minus y2 upon x minus x2. Okay. Okay. M1 into M2. M2 will be what? This one. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equals to -1. So what will happen, guys, when you cross multiply? Can I say that we will get y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2, isn't it, everyone? So this will come this side. What will happen? We will get x minus x1 into x minus x2. Okay, x minus x1 into x minus x2. Okay, plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Understood, everyone? So this is what we have. Are you getting, everyone, the point? So this is the equation of the line, the circle, in diametric form. Okay, so how easily we can get the equation, isn't it, everyone? That is it. So that's how we get it. If we have the diametric ends, we can use this property. If you forgot also, so guys, that's what you have to understand. Let's suppose if you forgot, do you remember the logic? Yes, the logic is pretty easy. Just remember the logic. Logic is important. So you can easily get this, isn't it, everyone? Understood? So guys, that's what you have to understand, the logic behind it. If you simply mug up the formulas, you will sometimes forget it. Sab hoga hoodie, just wait for some time. We'll be discussing everything in detail. Don't worry. Okay, let's cover one by one everything. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, guys. So here we also have one important thing, that guys, we also write the parametric form. So what is this parametric form? Let me discuss with you. Okay. So guys, what is this parametric form is? Try to understand one thing. Let's suppose, guys, I have an equation of a circle as square plus y square is equals to r square. Okay. So what do you mean by parameter? First understand that. What do we mean by parameter? Parameter means it's a variable. Okay. Variable. Okay. Which is what? In which x and y are dependent on. Okay. So we are introducing a third variable. So that x can be written in this form and y can also be written in this form. That's it. Understood? Like you would have studied parametric differentiation, isn't it, everyone? How many of you have studied parametric differentiation? What we do? We write everything in that. They give x as some t sine theta, or they will give you what, 2t sine t or 5t cos theta, like that. So they give the third variable, isn't it? 5t cos sine t, or they give us a third variable like t or theta, or let's suppose v, x, y, u, like that. So they give us the third variable. So we have to write the x and y in that terms. So here, so what we do is, what we introduce is, guys, we introduce a parameter called theta or t, whatever you say. Like x is equals to, we introduce like r cos theta. Okay. So guys, how do we get that? It's very simple, guys. Obviously, Let's suppose if we have any circle like this. So guys, can I say that any point on the circle, any point on the circle will be at a distance, this angle of theta, right everyone? Okay, this angle will be what? Theta. Okay, so this is x comma y and this is r. So can I say guys, comparing here, you can definitely say that x will become r cos theta, isn't it? This is a random point on the circle. And y will become what guys? R sine theta. Is it clear? This is what we have, any random, because this is base, this is perpendicular. Base upon hypotenuse is cos theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine theta. Understood? So this is called as parametric form. Why we use that? We don't have to now look at two variables. Now we will be looking at into only one variable. That's the help which this parameter provides. Understood? Before we have how many variables guys? X and y, two. Now this is what it's doing? It's doing what? It's now becoming only one variable, right? So it's making our work a lot easier. That's the best part about parametric forms. Okay. Next, guys, similarly, if we have x minus h ka whole square plus y minus k ka whole square equals to r square, what will be the parametric form? Easy, na? Now this time, that's correct. Okay. So what we should put, guys? Tell me. Can I put x as h plus r cos theta this time? Hai. Will that satisfy? Obviously, put h as h will cancel. R square cos square theta this time. And y will be what, guys? K plus r sine theta. Isn't it, everyone? Both will satisfy or not? Yes. So this is what the parametric form is there. When the center is somewhat at a point called h comma k. Simple. Understood, everyone? Great. Okay. The center is at what, guys? Some point h comma k. So we'll get this value. Clear? Everyone understood the parametric form? I hope everyone understood. Shall we go ahead? Okay, guys, let's move ahead now. Okay, now guys, a very interesting concept is there. Let's discuss that. Very, very important. Let's see. See, guys, let's suppose I have got a circle. Okay, this is one circle. And guys, we have the coordinate axis like this. Let's take any random circle. I'm taking a circle equation as x square plus y square equals 25. Okay? Okay, now guys, can I say that this is a point over here? This will be what? 5 comma 0. This is what? Minus 5 comma 0. Okay, and then there will be one point called 0 comma 5, and then here we'll be having one point called 0 comma 6, 0 comma minus 5, right? Yes. Isn't it, everyone? Everyone knows this concept. Now guys, what you have to understand here is that, remember the line L1 L2 greater than 0, we used to write, right? 2 points in the same side, 2 points in the opposite side. We had done that concept in the lines. Similarly here, you can also analyze where the point is actually lying. Okay, so guys, generally we write the equation of a circle as s is equals to 0. Okay, how we write it out? This s equals to 0 means x square plus y square minus r square equal to 0. Okay, so this in general is called as what, guys? S equals to 0. This is the circle's equation. Okay, now what we understand is, what we do is, let's suppose, guys, let's write it in that form. Okay, let's write it down in that form. So if you write this one, x square plus y square minus 25 equals 0. Okay, so guys, let's put a point on this circle. The first point, let's put a point called 5 comma 0 in this s. What will you get? Just put in the LHS. Just put in the LHS. Just put it over here. What will you get, guys? Can I say 5 square plus 0 square minus 25? Aren't we getting 0? Right? We will get 0 only. You'll say, sir, what logic you are saying? Sir, this everyone knows it will be 0. Yes, this everyone knows that this point will satisfy this and we'll get 0, right? Any point for that matter. You can put here 3 comma 4 also. That will also give you 0. Most definitely. Isn't it? So the second point is, guys, let's suppose if I put a point outside the circle. Let's put a point called 6 comma 0 this time. So let's put a point called 6 comma 0. What are we getting, everyone? Just check. Just check and tell me, guys, what are we getting? We'll get 36. And x square plus y square will be 0 minus 25. We are getting greater than 0. Understood the logic, everyone? What are we getting, guys? We are getting this time, it is greater than 0. Understood? We'll get 11, right, which is greater than 0. Okay, you can put here minus 6 comma 0 also if you like. If you think, sir, this is only valid for this case, so just try it for a different value. So guys, if your circle's S equation is x square plus y square minus 25 is equals to 0, this is S equals to 0. Let's put minus 6 comma 0. What are we getting? Let's put here minus this comma 0, guys. What are we getting? Let's check. We'll get minus 6 ka whole square plus 0 ka square minus 25, right? Again, same thing, 11, which will be greater than 0. Understood? So guys, what is the second condition? The first condition we got is, and we call this thing as what, you know, we call this as S1, or sometimes in some books or some students write it as S11. Okay, so I call it, guys, S1. You can use whatever you like. You can call S11. Okay, I call it S1. So you're putting the point 1, x1, y1, isn't it? So guys, if the point is on the circle, what are we getting? First case, on the circle, what are we getting, guys? S1 equals to 0. Second, guys, outside the circle, what are we getting? S1 greater than 0, right, everyone? That's what we proved till now. And let's put, guys, next third one. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try a point like origin inside the circle, which is. So what we'll get, guys? We'll get 0 square plus 0 square minus 25 will come less than 0. We can say that S1 is less than 0. So guys, what are we getting here? What are we getting here, guys? When the point is obviously outside the circle, third point. So inside the circle, what are we getting? Inside the circle, we can say S1 is less than. I hope everyone understood this concept. Clear? So when will it be equal to 0? It will be less than 0. It will be greater than 0. I hope everyone got the logic. Very simple, right? You're just putting in this equation. Fine. Now, guys, one more logic is there. Okay, so let's suppose if somebody asks you the distance, that is also one important property. Let's suppose somebody asks you the distance, maximum or minimum distance. So what is the maximum distance and minimum distance of point A from the circle? What will you say? D max? Can I say D max will be what? AQ, isn't it? Right? That is what AQ is, the distance maximum, right? Any point. So what is that? Can I say that will be what? AC plus R. Because you know the center. You know the circle, we will be knowing the radius and we will be knowing the center. Can I say it will be AC plus R? Yes, distance formula we'll use AC and then we'll add R, we'll get the D max. Okay, can I get the D min at the same time? Right? We can get D min also, that is what? AP. Can I say that is AC minus R? Yes, D minimum distance of this point from the circle. That is AP. Very good, Papi Reddy. What will be that? Can I say AC minus R? Yes, so this kind of questions has been asked many a times in your JEE. Okay, very good. Yes, you can say AP, but you don't know the point P na. Understood, Hoodie? Why are you not using AP or AQ? We don't know point P and Q na. Are you getting it? Otherwise, so we would have directly calculated na. We don't know point P and Q. Understood? So that's why we are using logic. We know the center, we know the point, we know the radius, and then we are using the logic to get the values. Understood? Done. Next. Okay, now guys, one important thing is the tangent. Now let's discuss this important case. Tangent of a circle. Okay. So guys, today you'll learn a very good concept, that is tangent of a circle. I'll obviously, guys, very important concept from the point of view. Okay. So guys, I'll also tell you one hint, and I'll give you a homework kind of thing in this concept. You guys can do it. So guys, what is the question here? Let's suppose I've got a circle. I'm deriving for this one, x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, or you can say a square, where a is the radius. Fine, everyone. Okay. So guys, this is a tangent. Let's suppose this. Let's call it as y equal to mx plus c. Now, guys, the center is what? Everyone knows. Center is what? Origin for this circle. Okay. Very good. Copy. Let's call this as O, and this as, let's suppose, some point P. Okay, this is the tangent, right? Great. So this is the tangent, guys. Everyone knows the concept. The perpendicular from the center will be what? Sorry, if you join the point of tangent C, P, to this one, you will get what, guys? You will get what? Perpendicular, right? It will be perpendicular, right? These two things will be perpendicular. OT will be perpendicular to this line, right? Okay. So guys, what can we do? Can I say that this perpendicular distance is A? Yes. And do you know the perpendicular from a point to a line? Do you know the formula? Very good. Can I say, guys, distance is equals to R, right? What is the line? Can I write it in a different way? Mx minus y plus c equals to 0. Let's do it. Let's calculate the distance of point from origin to this line. What will be that, guys? Tell me. Yes. Can I say that d will be equal to mod of ax1? What will be that? 0 plus c upon under root of a square plus m, right? 1 a square plus b square. A is m and b is minus 1. So what can I say? M square plus 1 is equals to a. Distance is equals to radius. That's what I wanted to tell, right? So what we'll get, guys? We will get from here mod of c is equals to root of 1 plus m square is equals to a. Can I say, guys, mod of c will be a root under 1 plus m square? So guys, from there I will get one important equation that c is equals to plus minus a root under 1 plus m, right? Mod, when you open, let's suppose somebody says mod x equals to 2, you can say x equals to plus minus 2, right? That's why two values, two tangents will be there, isn't it? One on top and one on bottom, right everyone? Two tangents will be there, will be at a perpendicular distance, right everyone? Can be drawn, easy. Got it everyone? Understood the concept? I hope everyone understood it. Fine. So we can say that the equation of the tangent, this is a very famous, one of the most famous forms of a tangent. Okay, you can get the tangent in very many ways also. This is one of the most favorite forms of the tangent. So guys, what we will be writing is y equal to mx plus c, right? So c को what will be writing? Mx plus minus a under root 1 plus m. Clear? That's it. Okay guys, easy. Next. Okay, so guys, one more method, the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point x1, y1. Let's suppose they have given you this time x1, y1. This time what we knew the slope of the line. We didn't know the c. We knew the slope of the line. This time what they've given? The point itself. So how do you get the equation of the tangent? Let's see. How can we get the equation of the tangent now? So we have been given what? I think so it's the easiest way. Now we can easily derive these concepts, guys. No need to mug up the formulas. If you forget also, but if the logic is there, everything can be done. Okay. So guys, what we will do? We know that the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equals to. Fine. Let's call this center as origin for the time being. Okay. Now guys, if you look at this, this is what obviously perpendicular, and they have given us this time x1 comma y1. Understood? They have given us what? x1 comma y1, and they are asking the equation of circle. They're asking what? Equation of circle. Can we get it? How? What we need? We know the center. We definitely know the center. Okay, and they have not given us the radius. Okay, sorry, they have given us the radius, and we just want the equation of the circle now. So guys, how do we get it? Tell me. So what we will do here, tell me everyone. Can I say that this thing, okay, this point is obviously, guys, perpendicular to this line, right? So how do we frame this equation now? Tell me. So this is the circle. Now we need the equation of the tangent. So how do we get the equation of the tangent? They've given us the equation of circle, right? Yes. Now we need the equation of tangent. Circle is known because this is given x square plus y square plus a equal to a square. This is already given. Okay. Now we need what? Equation of tangent. So for equation of tangent, what we need? We need a point and we need its slope. That's it. For getting the equation of a line, what do you need? You need point and a slope. That's it. So point we know x1, y1, that is already given. We just need the slope. That's it. How do we do it? Not rocket science. What we will do? We know the slope of this. Let's call this as point as t. Okay, so guys, what is the slope of ct? Can I say it will be y1 by x1? Can I say it will be y1 by x1? Tell me. Yes. Slope of ct will be what? Y1 by x1. Can I say slope of the tangent? I'm denoting it by t cap. Can I say it will be what? Minus x1 by y1? Because m1, m2 is equal to minus 1, right? Isn't it? Can I say m1, m2 will be minus 1? Tell me everyone. No, then that will be lengthy, na? We need the slope and the point, that's it. Can't we just use the slope from here? We already know the slope. And that is what x1 y1. So slope of tangent will be minus x1 by y1. Now can I use the formula of 1 point form, 1 point slope form? 1 point slope form. Simple. Right, everyone? I'm just giving you the logics. You can get it very easily. So what will be that? Y minus y1. Point is what? Y1. That is passing through y1, right? Okay. Y minus y1 equals to slope is what? Minus x1 by y1 is equals to into what? X minus x1. Did everyone get it up till here? It's a very simple concept, guys. I'm just using 1 point form. That's it. Am I using anything else apart from it? Right? Now it will be very easy. So guys, what we will do? Can I say I'll cross multiply it now? Simple. What will get? Y y1 minus y1 square equals to minus x1 plus x1 square. So guys, can I say I'll get from here this side if it comes x1 plus y1 equals to x1 square plus y1 square. Amazing. Easy as it gets. Now guys, what is the equation of the circle? What is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square equals to a square. Does x1 y1 lies in the circle? Yes. X1 y1 lies in the circle. Will it satisfy the circle's equation? X1 comma y1 is on the circle, isn't it? So it will satisfy the equation or not? Implies we will get what? X1 square plus y1 square will be nothing but what? A square only. Yes. Understood, everyone out there? Shivani, Chandana, Bharadwaj, everyone watching. Got it? Just put it there. Sindhuja, understood? So what will you get, guys? X1 plus y1 equals to, this will be what? A square. Understood? Everyone get this point? That's the equation of the tangent. Got it? Clear? Understood, guys? Everyone can do it? Easy? Okay. So guys, now what we have to do is, let's suppose if the center is, same thing can you do for this? Let's suppose if the center is not origin, but it is somewhat else. Is it rocket science? Is it rocket science? It will be simply what? Minus g comma minus f. Now the center will be what, everyone, if the equation of the circle is like this? And this point will be what? X1 comma y1, which will be given. So guys, can I say that again same concept? We will get the slope easily. Slope of CT this time will be what? What is m of CT? Will be what? Y1 plus f, right? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what will be the slope of our tangent? Slope of our tangent will be what? Minus of x1 plus g divided by what? Y1 plus f. Right or not? No, pole and polar is now removed from the syllabus. Okay, guys? Everyone understood? Can we do it the same way? Right. So, guys, what we will get is, we'll get the equation like this. X1 plus y1 plus g times of x plus into x1. Understood, guys? Nothing to be changed. Only what here? In place of y1 by x1 by y1, you will get what? Tell me. You will get this thing, right? X1 plus g upon y1 plus f. Isn't it, everyone? Tell me. Yes or no, guys? So just you have to put it over there in place of this slope, and you will get the general equation of tangent also very easily with normal mathematical calculation. Understood? Everyone understood the logic? So guys, this is what we are doing. So what in general we say, what we are doing is, actually, if you look at the logic behind it, so we don't have to struggle that much now all the time. So what we say is, if we have this kind of equation, x square plus y square equals to a square, what we are doing is, one of the x we are replacing by x1. Okay, and here one of the y we are replacing by y1. That's it. Okay, and here what we are doing, again this 2x's is there, right? So we are replacing by what? x1, y1 plus this x is changed with x plus x1 by 2. Okay, x is changed with x plus x1 by 2. Won't you get this thing? It's a logic which we are using. Okay, and y is changed with what? Yes, I do teach it, but I will not waste your time over here. Okay, because that is not even required. Okay, so unnecessary, why to waste time? We'll solve more problems in terms of that, right? Understood, guys? So in general, whenever actually you can apply this for any 2-degree curve, this concept you can use. Any 2-degree curve. Try to get relation of between things. So guys, if let's suppose if somebody says ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, that can be either hyperbola, parabola, ellipse, anything. So guys, if somebody says get the tangent equation, what we will do? What we will do, x square will be changed to x into x1, y square will be changed to what? Y into y1, and x will be changed with what? X plus x1 by 2, and y will be changed with what? Y plus y1 by 2. Understood? Understood, guys? Y plus y1 by, that's it. So here you have to fill in the values and then you will be getting the tangent equation. Understood, guys? What's happening here? Understood the logic behind it? Okay, great, fine. Okay, if you want, I can give you the notes. I'll provide the notes, Papi Reddy, don't worry. Okay, I'll give you basic idea, don't worry about that. Okay, just remind me, I'll be providing you the notes. Because that's very easy concept also, that's not that difficult. But it's not there in JEE. Chalo. So guys, see here, S1 is this thing and T is what? Tell me. X1. So we call this as what, guys? Tangent. T equation. T equal to 0 gives you what? Tangent. So guys, remember this thing. This will give you the equation of tangent. This will be giving you the S1 coordinate. Understood? So equation of tangent to any curve will be what? T equal to 0. Is that clear? T equal to 0, guys. Everyone watching, understood how we are getting? Okay. Moreover, if you guys are expert, in differentiation, so it's nothing then. Okay, if you guys know that, let's suppose if somebody gave us this second degree curve, so guys, can I get the dy by dx? Can I get the dy by dx? Can I get the dy by dx? Tell me. Yes. What is dy by dx? Slope of tangent, right? And they will give you the point x1 y1. You know the point, you know the slope. Can you get the equation? Thanks, Satyam. Tell me, guys, how many of you know the differentiation? If you guys know the differentiation, can't you get the equation of the circle? Tangent of the circle easily? Absolutely. Isn't it? Let's suppose somebody asks you to find out, let's suppose, equation of tangent of x square plus y square is equals to 25 at the point 3, 4. So one guy will use what logic? There will be what? X into x1, that will be 3, plus y into y1, that is 4, equals to 25. 3x plus 4y equal to 25. Also, some guy might use the differentiation, isn't it? If you differentiate this, what will you get? 2x plus 2y dy by dx equals to 0. Can I say that your dy by dx will be what? Minus x upon y, right? At which point we want? x1, y1, 3, 4. So the slope will be what? Minus 3, 4, right? So guys, what is that coming out to be? Tell me. 3, 4. Y minus y1 is equals to slope minus 3 by 4 into x minus x1, 3. Cross multiply 4y minus 16 is equals to minus 3x plus 9. So guys, what are we getting? 3x plus 4y equal to 25. Which one was easier? Which one was easier? Obviously, this gave you in 1 second, right? But this will be what? There till the end, right? Okay, if you know the logic, this thing you can use anywhere you want to. Understood? Depending upon the situation. Fine, guys. Same result. Okay, guys. Similarly, guys, if you want the tangent at a parametric form, you all know that it's coming as what? X1 plus y1 equals to a square, right? You can put what? X as a cos alpha or not? Tell me. Because at which point we want? X1, y1 is given. That is given as what? A cos alpha, comma a sin alpha, right? Or theta, whatever you call it. Chandana, you didn't understand. See, this I used x1. What I used first way, x1 plus y1 equals to a square. What is x1 y1? The point 3 comma 4. So I simply put here x1 as 3 and y1 as 4. I got the equation of tangent. Second, what I did, I used differentiation, the dy by dx method. What I did dy by dx. dy by dx of this curve. So what will happen? X square differentiation will be 2x. Y square differentiation will be 2y dy by dx equal to 0. 2 cancel. Can I say dy by dx will be minus x by y? Right, Chandana? At which point we are trying to get the slope? 3 comma 4. What we will put x as 3. What we will put y as 4. We got the slope. Now do you know the equation of tangent or any line? If you know the point, if you know the slope, can't you get the equation? Y minus y1 equals to slope into x minus x1. From there I got the same thing. Understood now, Chandana? Is it clear? Fine. And same thing, guys, you can apply here. So that will become what? Tell me. For a parametric form, the answer will come out as what? x1. x1 is what? A cos alpha plus y is into y1 is what? A sin alpha equals to a square. One of the a's will cancel and the equation of tangent will be this. Cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to a. Understood, everyone? This is the equation of tangent in parametric form. Got it? I hope you everyone understood this concept. Okay. Now let's move ahead. So today we are covering at least almost all the concepts mostly. Sir, if circle equation given and tangent equation given, how to find point of contact? Good. Many methods of doing that. Copy ready. Suppose circle is given, right? You know? Can you use straight lines? You know the slope of this line? You know? Can you get the slope of this line? Have I taught you x1 comma y1 r cos theta? This will be what? x1 plus r cos theta, parametric form, y1 plus r sin theta. You'll get this point. Understood? I'm just giving you the brief idea. I hope you understood. Okay, this slope is given. This slope you will get it. And correspondingly, you will get the answer. Don't worry. We'll do many questions like this. Chandana, I think so more 20 minutes around. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's find out the next concept. That is the length of tangent from an external point x1, y1 to the circle. Okay. So guys, let's suppose if we have a circle here and we have to find out the length of tangent from a point. Okay. Okay, guys. This length they are asked. So guys, obviously we know the tangent is perpendicular. We will draw this and make a triangle like. Okay. So guys, let's take a very normal circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. We'll derive that and then we'll obviously generalize this for all types of circle. This is a. This is origin. It's a very easy proof, guys. x1, y1, and let's call this as length of tangent. Okay. Can I use Pythagoras theorem? Tell me, everyone. 90 degree. Can I say that L square plus a square is equals to what? X1 square plus y1 square. What are we getting? L square equals to what? X1 square plus y1 square minus a square. What is this, everyone? Can I say this is S1? L square is coming as S1 implies length of tangent is root of S1. Understood, everyone? Understood the concept? Just okay. Okay. Got it. Easy. Understood, guys? Everyone. Similarly, you can put what in this kind of circle also. If they ask general circle, then also you can get it very easily. Just have to put inside that point. In place of x, you have to put y. And then if you have to put in the place of this x as y, then guys, again, this is f into y1. Understood, everyone? Clear? V equals to omega r. Just differentiate with respect to time. What will get? dv by dt. Radius will be constant into d omega by dt. Okay, what is the rate of change of angular acceleration? Sorry, this is what angular velocity acceleration, which is what is this? This is what normal acceleration. So what will get? A equals to r alpha. Simple. Hello. Hello guys. Next question. This one on your screen. Equation of the circle passing through the point 6 comma 2 and the equations of the normals of the circle is this. So how do you get the radius of the circle? Understood? For education. Guys, everyone watching, please hit a like and obviously show your support to this amazing platform launched by Unacademy. Okay, let's go for it, guys. Just hit a like, share it with your friends. That will be very helpful for our team. Understood? For education, simply R is a constant. So I just left it out. I hope you understood. And I don't know that extreme conditions. What for that? Okay, maybe that is obviously that is in kind of assumptions we have to make, right? Some conditions only we can apply these. That you must ask our amazing Rohit sir and Murli sir. Come on, guys. So Shivani has got the answer. Come on, everyone. How will you get it? Radius of the circle passing through 6 comma 2. An equation of two normals. Equation of normal is given. X plus y equal to 6. X plus 2y is equals to 4. How will you get it? Let's see. So guys, what are we getting is, let's suppose this is the circle, okay? So guys, we know that the tangent is what? Is if you're drawing the tangent from the perpendicular condition, this will be the tangent, right? Okay. So this is the tangent, right? This is 90, this is 90. Okay. And and this is what? So guys, can I say that this is a point from where tangent is perpendicular, right? This will be the normal. Can I say the normals meet at center? Family of circles means 2 or 3 circles we'll study at in some single go. Okay, guys. Can I say that two normals will always intersect at center? Yes or no, guys? Everyone, tell me. Two normals will always intersect at center. है ना? Yes. So guys, because this is the tangent, this is perpendicular, this is the normal, they will always intersect at the center. So guys, let's solve this. For education, then I think so the radius will be not a constant. I assume that the radius is constant. If the radius is also variable, then you have to use UV rule. Okay. Hello. X plus y equal to 6 and then x plus 2y is equals to 4. Now you subtract these two equations, guys. This minus this, what will get? Y equals to 4 minus 6, that is coming as what? Minus 2. Now when you put the value over here, what are we getting, guys? X equals to 8. Isn't it, everyone? Yes, 8 comma minus 2 is the center. Simple. That's what the question was. Now guys, using distance formula, can I get the radius? This is 0.6 comma 2. Can we get the distance formula? Easy. Just use the distance formula, everyone. So what are we getting, guys? Distance formula, your radius will be what? Root under 4 plus 4 minus 4 whole square. What is that? 4 square 16. Root of 20. That is what? 2 root 5. That is the answer. 2 root 5. Great. Simple, everyone. Fantastic. Very nice. Hello, guys. One more. Let's take quickly. This is a good one. Let's see how many of you can crack this. Very good. Very good. Shivani, Chandana, Papi Reddy. Amazing, guys. Good going. Good going. So guys, shortest distance between this point and this point, I already gave you the logic. I hope every one of you can do it now. I have already gave you the logic. Right or not, everyone? How to get the shortest distance? Right, this will be a circle like this over here. right? And this is a point minus 2 comma 4. Maybe that might be on, inside, over, wherever it is. Need not worry about that. So guys, what is this? Tell me. Minus 2 comma 14. Okay, this is a point. We want the shortest distance. Can you tell me the center? Okay, right. So what you will tell me? What you will get? Tell me. So guys, can I say the center for education? Just wait for a minute. Let me complete this. I'll answer your doubt. Don't worry. So guys, what will be the center? Tell me. Can I say just by comparing this, we'll get 2gx will be what? Minus 6x. Let's go by basics. Can I say g will be equal to what? Minus 3. And similarly, guys, comparing, we'll get what? F is equals to what? Minus 2. So guys, center will be what? Tell me everyone. Center will be what? Center will be what, guys? Tell me everyone. Center over here will be what? Minus g comma minus f. That will be what? 3 comma 2. Great. Great. So guys, this is, let's suppose, a point A. This is a point B. This is a point C. We need AB, right? Shortest distance. AB will be what? Tell me. Can I say AB will be what? AC minus R. AC minus the radius. Will we get that? Tell me everyone. AC minus R. So let's calculate the distance AC. That is just the distance formula. What do you get? Tell me. Root under 25 plus 14 minus 2 whole square, 144. I hope this all everyone knows. And root of 169, that is 13. So we got AC as 13. AC as 13. What is the radius? Can we calculate using the formula? Everyone knows G square plus F square minus C, right? G square will be what? 9 plus F square will be 4 minus C. So minus minus plus 12. Don't forget that. Minus C. C is minus 12, guys. Don't miss up the formula. Okay. So that is coming as what, guys? Root 25. That is 5. Simple. So guys, what is the shortest distance? Can I say that the shortest distance will be simply AC, AB. This will be what, guys? 13 AC minus R, that is 5, which is coming as easy. Great. Amazing. Understood, guys? Everyone watching, clear? Okay. Great. Next question. For education, let me come back to your doubt. That's what you have done. You've used UV rule, isn't it? You have left what? V equals to R omega. You have left R differentiated. You have differentiated that omega. You got alpha plus, then you left omega, and then you differentiated R, dr by dt. You got what? Velocity. Understood? How did you get it? That's what I'm saying. If the radius is changing, if that whole displacement is changing, then you will get that. Otherwise, if your radius or the displacement is constant from their position, then you will get that direct formula which I gave you. You used UV rule. Okay. Hello guys, simple, quick. Everyone can get this one very easily. The chord of length 24 units is at a distance of 5 units from the center. Okay. Yes. Very easy question, guys. Chord of length 24 is at a distance of 5 units. How many of you have studied that 10th grade formula? है ना? Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, isn't it? This and this will be same. This will be 12, and this also will be 12. Radius is 5. Can I say, guys, using Pythagoras theorem, everyone can it. This will be what, guys? 13, isn't it? UV rule, d by dx of xy, or d by dt of x into y, and for education, that will be what? X into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Now, this is called as UV rule, product rule, which you used. Then only you'll get that answer. Understood? First leave one guy, differentiate the other, then leave one guy and then differentiate the other. Understood? Clear everyone? Chale aage. Shall we go ahead? Okay, next. That is in differentiation. For you're in which standard? You're in which standard? Come on, guys, try it. Differentiation chapter. Or else you can watch my lectures over here on differentiation. I've taught everything from the basics. You can go on and watch, everything is given. Okay. Come on, guys, very good question. If the line 3x minus 4y equals to lambda cuts in 2 points, then the limits of lambda are. Come on, guys. So you have to watch it out. You can, if CBSE 11th, you will not learn differentiation this year, but you should learn. Otherwise, your concepts will be very crisp. Okay, if you learn that initially only, that's why, guys, the differentiation should be learned in the basic foundation level. That's why we will be obviously learning it throughout the year. In physics, we'll have a lot of issues. That's why I started from, obviously, guys, basic maths, and then I went on with the differential calculus also, all the parts. I think so. In this particular channel, I have put up like at least 80% of the concept. So you guys can definitely go on with it. Let's see how many of you can get this question done. Very good question. Very good question. Very logical though. Right, once more, Papi, ready? Now, yes, now you're correct. I told you, no, product rule or UV rule, both are same. Product rule, or you can say UV rule. Both are same. Hello, guys. So this cuts the circle in 2 points. Yes, very good, very good. Papi Reddy, that's an amazing concept you use. See, guys, we have a circle. It's cutting at 2 points. So, guys, if a line is there, okay, the line is there, 3x minus 4y equals to lambda. Okay, it is equal to lambda, and the circle equation, I'll write it down. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y. Okay. 2 points, then okay, 8y minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, guys. Okay, now we have this thing in front of us. Okay, now, guys, if you can easily look at this question, what is there? Tell me. So what we have, guys, let's suppose if you look at the center, 2 comma 4. Am I correct, guys? Please, now I'm doing directly. Minus g is what? Minus 2, and f is what? Minus 4. So that's why center will be minus g comma minus f, just by looking at it. 2 comma 4, everyone. Okay, yes, education, both are same. Chalo. So, guys, see here, can I say that this is the distance, right? This is the distance from the line, right, D. And, guys, we all know that if you extend it till here, okay, let's call this as A, as point B, and this, let's have, I'm extending here, let's suppose that is called as C. Can I say that AC is the radius, right? Very good, very good. So, guys, for it to be a chord, can I say, guys, it has to be a chord? So can I say, guys, that, guys, R is greater than D? That's the condition we should use. If R equal to D, then it will be tangent. If R is less than D, it will never cut it. If R is greater than D, it will be what, guys? Chord, right, everyone? Yes. So, guys, quickly tell me the radius from here. What is that? What is the radius? Just use that formula, guys. G square, that will be 4 plus 16 plus 5. That is coming as 5. Root of 25, 5. So, guys, we have to say that, okay, D will be less than R. Now, D, you know very well how to calculate distance of a point from a line. Easy concept. So, guys, how do we get it? Let's see. Okay. So, guys, what is this? Tell me, guys. Mod of AX1, that will be what? 6 minus 16. Okay, minus lambda upon root under A square plus B square. That will be what? 9 plus 16. Will be less than 5, Right, everyone? So what are we getting? Mod of mod of what is it? Minus 10 minus lambda. Mod of minus 10 minus lambda. Mod of minus 10 minus lambda by 5 is what? Less than 5. Can I say, guys, you all know it. You are now grown up kids. है ना? So always use that. Mod of minus x is mod of x. है ना? Mod of minus 2 is. Why to write here like this? Can I say that is nothing but mod of lambda plus 10 only? है ना? If you take minus common, that will be obviously there. It's less than 25. Okay, now guys, I have already told you guys this thing in basic maths everywhere. Guys, if mod of x is, let's suppose, less than 2, what do we say? We say that x is between 2 and minus 2, right? Isn't it? Everyone knows this concept. If mod, the guys, if you don't know basic concept, then it will be difficult. That's why basic maths is very important. Mod of x is less than 2. Mod of x of any number will be less than 2 when that number is between minus 2 and 2, right? So that's why we'll get from here that lambda plus 10 will be between 25 and minus 20. Okay, guys. Now simply you can add or subtract 10 from both sides. So guys, subtract 10 from both sides. What are we getting? We'll get lambda is between 15 and minus 35. What we did? Subtracted 10. Understood, everyone? Got it? Clear? So that's why, guys, we got lambda belongs to minus 35 too. Understood, everyone? Chalo. So guys, that's all for today. Okay, please take it this as a homework. Do not forget to comment on this video. Okay guys, we'll continue in the next class. Please comment on the video. Okay guys, and obviously maybe I might not be able to take class tomorrow. Okay, today I'm not feeling that well. Okay, okay, so and sorry for that inconvenience. Okay, so that is all we have for today, guys. See you next time. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye, everyone. And guys, please do not forget to install this amazing app. Okay, so this is an amazing app which you can install on the Unacademy platform. You can go there and click on the IIT JEE section, click on the plus, and guys, then you have to click on get subscription. As soon as you do it, then guys, you can obviously hit the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you can obviously get these amazing discounts, guys. For 1 month you can get around 6,300 price, and for 1 year or 2 year it will be what, 34.6 and 50.4 respectively. Okay, okay Ajay, hello. Okay guys, and here on this platform you have to fill in the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, then you can proceed to pay using EMI option available as well. Fine. Okay guys, very good popularity. Abhinav SC is also the code. You can use it. And guys, 5:30 p.m. is the regular classes. Please attend regularly, and do not forget that 7 p.m. from Wednesday to Sunday, I'll be taking very nice problems on the platform. Ekdam badhiya, badhiya. Okay, guys. 7 p.m. is the class timings, guys, on the app. On from Wednesday to Sunday, please attend that regularly. And guys, AJ Live is the code which you can use. Coming on the Plus platform. Okay, guys. Okay, and guys, obviously age, this is what we have. Okay, here you can use, you can get along with the amazing faculties. Okay, this will be what, guys, this is also my course is running on the Plus platform. So guys, 8:30 p.m. is the timing. Please come on there, and guys, do not forget to attend the lectures on the Plus platform, because this is what will obviously boost your rank. Yes, we'll be giving amazing DPPs on regular basis, and that will be, guys, very very important. This is a crash course which everyone can join for 21 aspirants. And guys, also I have one more batch, that is a detailed course, guys, for JEE 2022 aspirants. Okay, so if you are JEE 2022, if you're writing that, please come over here with the using the code of AJ Live. You will get some amazing faculty. Okay, thanks Hoodie. Okay, fine everyone. Okay, he's our Unacademy team partner, Papi Reddy. Okay, chalo guys, fine everyone. Okay, please do not forget to like, share this video with your friends. That will be obviously a very very important. Okay, do not forget to do that. Like, share with your friends, subscribe to this amazing channel, and do not forget to use the code of AJ Live for Plus subscription. I am there on Plus, very beneficial for all of the students. Hey guys, please be there very soon, and then I am waiting.